How to download Firebase Studio project. So first thing you want to do is open your project in the Firebase Studio. Then access the file system. So in the top right corner of the Firebase Studio interface, locate and click the code icon. It often looks like a set of curly braces or a code editor symbol next to the publish button. And this action will open the project's file system in a panel, which is usually on the left side. Then you want to select and zip the project files. So in the File System panel, navigate to your project's working directory, and this might be named the studio if you use the app prototyping agent, or it could be your project's name if you uploaded an existing project or use a template. Then you want to right-click on the empty space within the File System panel or directly on your project's main directory. So from the context menu that appears, select the zip and download option. Then you want to handle the rebuild prompt, if applicable. If prompted to rebuild the environment, click the cancel button. Then you want to download and reopen. So after the download completes, you can optionally reopen your working directory from the file menu to continue working within your workspace in the Firebase Studio if desired.